I don't mean to toot my own horn, but BB. Hey yo, welcome back to my channel, Bforeal. I am Britt. So first things first, of course, be sure to subscribe. Make sure you turn your notifications on so that way you do not miss any of my videos. And of course, be sure to follow me on Instagram at Bforeal610. I connect with you guys on there. I love seeing your food pictures. I love responding to you guys in the DMs. You guys always are very encouraging. I encourage you guys. People ask me questions and I'm always on there to help. Now, I may not get to you right away because y'all know I have a child now, but I do eventually, get to you, and I do try to respond to everybody on there. So be sure to follow me on Instagram. I love talking to you guys on there. So today, as y'all seen, we have our vegan stuffed shells. This is going to be a family favorite. I just want to let you know how this may affect your life. It might change some things if you've never tried a vegan recipe before. So without further ado, y'all know I don't like to give too much of an intro. We are going to go ahead and hop right into the video. So first things first, we are going to go ahead and get our vegan ricotta cheese popping. So I have my pot here. I just have a little bit of olive oil in there. I'm going to toss in some chopped onion. We of course are going to toss in some garlic. Can't forget the garlic. I love garlic. You should love garlic. If you don't love garlic, grow up. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and mix this up. We're going to cook this on medium-high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes until the onions are translucent. So next we are going to be taking a package of extra firm tofu. Now pause, because I know what y'all thinking. Oh my god, she using tofu. Oh my god, I don't eat soy. Oh my god, tofu is nasty. Now in the top right hand corner, I got y'all. So if you click on that link, it is a video to a soy-free vegan ricotta cheese that I made in a past video. If you don't want to hop off this video just yet, the link will also be in the description box below for the soy-free vegan ricotta cheese. See, I got y'all. Alternatives, options, okay? Solutions, okay? So if you don't have an issue with tofu, if y'all don't have any beef, pun intended, I promise you this will be tasty. I will not steer you wrong, okay? Let's move right along. So here you just see me mashing this up with a potato masher. You can of course use a fork, but I'm just mashing this up down to a crumble right in the pot. We're going to get our tofutti sour cream. I'm going to be using the entire package. Get that right up in there. No crumble shall be left behind because we are going to flick our wrist on this. Get everything nice and combined. Stir that right on up just like that. And you should have something that looks like this. Now, I know what y'all thinking. Britt, you are playing games. That does not look appealing in the least bit. And you want me to eat that? Okay, but listen, just walk with me. I am not playing games with y'all. I promise you. Like, I know you already have a touchy, relationship with tofu, so I'm gonna help you out. So we are going to ancestor shimmy this to the gods, okay? To the gods. And let me just say this real quick, because I really feel like y'all be doing tofu dirty. And minus the people who don't eat soy, y'all really treat tofu wrong. Because if you was to buy a piece of chicken and just cook it, what would it taste like? Nothing. However, somehow y'all feel like if y'all buy tofu, y'all should just be able to eat it out the pack and it should just be great. No, you have to season it, okay? Treat tofu like you would anything else. Season it. That's it and that's all. And I don't mean to talk to y'all like that, but we all trying to get right together. Sometimes you gotta check your family. That's it. Also, keep in mind that there will be a link in the description box below with the full written recipe. It will include all the seasonings I used. Here I just added in some spinach, let that wilt down. Our ricotta is done. I just went ahead and set that aside. And here I'm just cooking our jumbo shells according to the package directions, nothing fancy. So next is our sauce. You can make your sauce or you can use whatever pasta sauce you would like. I just bought some. I used 2 cans. I added a little bit of maple syrup just to cut the acidity. Y'all know I don't like sweet sauce, but I do like to cut that acidity just a little bit. So I'm also adding in some roasted pepper strips. You can or cannot do this. I just been having a thing for roasted peppers lately, so I just added it in there, you know, just for a little something extra on the end. So I just stirred this up and let it cook down for about 15-20 minutes. I didn't do anything further to it. I do have my oven preheated to 375 degrees. So once our sauce is ready in a 9 by 13 inch pan, I just spread out a thin layer of the sauce here, and then we're going to go ahead and assemble our shells. It's very simple. You just take one of the shells, make sure your shells are cool so you don't burn yourself. I'm going to go ahead and spoon in our ricotta cheese here, just like that. Simple, easy does it, you know. And then we're going to go ahead and place this into our baking pan. We are going to get these packed in here, okay, side by side, no social distancing. All right, and then I'm just going to spoon another little drizzle over top of all of our shells, just like that. And I know what y'all thinking, bruh, you made all that pasta sauce just for these little drizzles? What? And I always take and freeze my extra sauce, so that's why I made so much. So in the recipe, it will only have the 1 can. So it's up to you. But I just covered this, let it cook for 15 minutes, uncovered it, placed it back into the oven, let it cook for another 15 minutes, and boom, we are done. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Simple, easy, quick. Don't even take long. Okay. We are done. I'm gonna let this joint play for a couple seconds just so y'all can, you know, take it all in. Man, if I didn't gain 10 pounds every time I ate carbs, I would most definitely eat this every night. Like, I love pasta. So what do you guys think? You know, let me know down in the comments. Please, 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 if you make this or any of my recipes, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Bforeal610. I love seeing y'all food pictures. You guys always do amazing with the recipes, and I just love seeing you guys enjoy, you know, the recipes that I'm creating, because it means a lot to me. So yeah, leave a comment down below if you've tried this recipe or if you look forward to trying it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And as always, I appreciate you guys for watching. I will see y'all in my next video.